What is the history behind Celtic music? Have you ever wondered about the sounds that fill the air when you visit Ireland? The lively tunes and heartfelt melodies are more than just music. They tell stories of a rich history. So, what is the history behind Celtic music? Celtic music is a broad term that refers to the musical traditions of the Celtic peoples in Western Europe. The roots of this music stretch back over 2,000 years, starting when the Celts arrived in Ireland. These people, originally from Central Europe, brought their own musical styles and instruments. Their music was influenced by earlier traditions from the East, creating a unique blend over time. As the Celts settled in Ireland, their musical forms began to mix with local customs. This fusion gave birth to what we now recognize as traditional Irish music. However, Celtic music is not limited to Ireland. It also includes the music of Scotland, Wales, Cornwall, the Isle of Man, Brittany in France, and Galicia in Spain. Each region has its own distinct style, but they all share common features, such as storytelling and a strong sense of community. In Ireland, some of the most iconic instruments include the tin whistle, fiddle, bodhrán, and harp. The harp holds a special significance in Irish culture and is even featured on the national emblem. Traditionally, Celtic music was passed down orally, with musicians learning by ear and playing together. This practice continues today, especially during Irish music sessions where musicians gather to share tunes they know by heart. Festivals like Flacichohol na HÉireann celebrate this living tradition, drawing musicians and visitors from around the globe. These events are a fantastic way for travelers to experience the energy and spirit of Celtic music firsthand. In Ireland, music is more than just entertainment. It connects people to their heritage and to each other. Whether you are listening to a solo harpist in a cozy pub or joining a lively session with many musicians, you are partaking in a tradition that has shaped Irish culture for centuries. The music you hear today serves as a direct link to the past, evolving as new generations add their own voices and styles. Understanding the history of Celtic music helps make sense of the vibrant sounds that fill Irish towns and countryside. It highlights the importance of music as a form of community and cultural expression, making every performance a unique part of the Irish experience.